In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!